Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing a theft control module in a 2009 Chevy Suburban. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to disconnect the battery. I'm going to use a 10mm wrench. We're going to disconnect the negative post on the battery. Just loosen this up a little bit. I can grab it and wiggle it back and forth. I can take it and put it up, tuck it out of the way. I'm gonna pull this cover off, grab 2 fingers underneath and pull. I'm gonna pull this cover off. There's a Phillips head screw right here. The retainer holder for this cover is broken. Just to let you know. I'll take this screw out over here. Right, and then there's a 10mm bolt right here. You're going to use a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. Pull this bolt out. Pull that out. And this slides back and pulls out. There's 2 little grooves right there. I'm going to grab this and just pull straight forward. Some of these clips are broken. Those are the retainers that hold it. I'm going to pull this adjuster lever off for the steering wheel adjuster. Just pull it straight out. You can use a screwdriver if you need to. Next, I'm going to grab on this cover and pull it straight down. Sometimes there's screws that hold the cover up. This one does not have screws. I'm going to pull the cover down here. I'm going to move the steering wheel down, pushing on the adjuster. We're going to push up on this cover, pull out the front a little bit, and then this will come off. Pull that out. We're going to take this boot, we're going to slide it up like that. Now I'm going to disconnect this connector right here that's connected to this orange wire. I'm going to push on the connector and pull out. And I'm going to feed this wire back this way. I'm going to pull this ignition cylinder out. I'm going to put the key in. I'm going to use a little Allen, and I can push down in this hole once I rotate the key. So rotate the key to the crank position, then push down, and that releases it. And I can let the key go and then pull, wiggle it back and forth. We're going to disconnect the connector to the theft control module. Just push this little tab. I'm going to pull this wire out. Use a little pick, push down, and pull that out. And I can use another right angle pick. And on the back side here, there's little clips that hold this on. I'll pull it straight out. There's the little clips. Put the right angle pick behind those, and you can pull it straight out. Okay, we're gonna reinstall our theft module. Just line it up here. This, push it down. We're going to take the connector, plug the connector back in. And we're going to take our ignition cylinder with our key in it, and we're going to line this little tab up with that little groove right there. Push that in, turn it back and pull it out. Now we're going to put this upper cover back on. We'll take this boot, slide it down, and slide it over the cover so that lines up in that channel. Like that. And this will go down here. Push that down like that. So then I'll slip that up. Take the lower cover. Slide this in this shifter boot groove. Like that. Lock it in place. Locked in, good. I'm going to reinstall this lever like that. And take this lower shield, install this. You have the clips right there and right there. There should be one right there. Line that up, push it on. Take the parking release lever with these little grooves. It's gonna slide up and then slide forward. And then take the 10mm bolt, the socket, the extension. Install it in the hole. Tighten it up. Snug that up. Take our Phillips head screw and install it right here with a Phillips head screwdriver. Take this Phillips head screw and stick it right here. The bracket is broken off this panel. So. And we're going to put this cover on. Like that. Now we're going to connect the battery. And we're going to reconnect our battery. Grab the negative cable, hook it back up. All right. Now I'm going to use my 10mm wrench and tighten down the nut. Not too tight. You don't want to break the terminal. Tighten it, check it, make sure it doesn't wiggle. Seems good.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.